I will show you how to increase your PC RAM speed. This will speed up your PC's performance, so follow each and every step. But before this, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. First step is registry tweak. To do this, type registry editor in the search box and open it. Now open the directory I am opening. Search for undo in it. There it is. Now in it, open the start and change its hexadecimal value from 2 to 4. Then scroll up in the registry editor and in control set 001 open control. In it open session manager and in session manager open memory management. Modify the clear page at shutdown and change its value in hexadecimal to 1. The next step is advanced system setting. To do this, type advanced system setting. In the advanced system setting, adjust for best performance. It will change your visual display, but it will give you the best performance. Now also change the virtual memory there. I have given you the scale. Set your value according to the given scale. To do this, search for services and then open it. In it, search for sysmain service. There it is. Open its property and disable it permanently from there. In the last, don't forget to apply and then OK it. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.